What is up, guys? Today I will show you the newest update for iPhone 17 Pro Max, which is iOS 26.2. So let's check more details. Actually, that update includes enhancement to Apple Music, podcast, game as well. So let's open Apple Support to check it out. Actually, it's not that much update here. And different name, release date is 12th of December. Actually, what you can do now, it's starting from iOS 26.1, is to disable liquid glass effect. So what you need to do is to search for liquid glass here. Okay, liquid glass, or just let's try glass, liquid glass here. And you have two options. Actually, one is clear, second one is tint. And you'll have less liquid glass effect, as you see here, clear. Actually, I think here it will be visible on the bar, as you see the glass effect. Now you put tint. Actually, in this area it not changed that much. So maybe change here, I guess. Yeah, here is changed, or clear. So actually this option you can prefer to look for liquid glass. It's more transparent and tint increase opacity and it's more contrast, so it's up to your preferences what to select. In general, so you see this liquid glass effect, actually it's quite nice and I like it, but many people don't like it, so there is always option to disable it. Let's just briefly have a look what else, how it looks like everything iOS 26.2 on iPhone 17 Pro Max here. So all other settings mainly unchanged. Battery life, so you can have battery health here, it shows you normal, manufacturer date or first use date, cycles count 0, so it's brand new iPhone actually charging. You can select up to preferences charging limit. Battery in percentage, of course, need to activate. Power mode adaptive power notification, low power mode also available. Action button settings, so of course you can select many options and set up your own options here. Apple Intelligent and Siri, again not much changes. Apple developed it very slow, so here it's same. Camera, so you can select how you can record the camera, which is a standard format and all the others. So actually there are many settings available, but we will not cover all of them. In general, iOS 26.2 working quite normal, quite regular. So you see some shortcuts here. And in case you have previous version, of course you need to update, as iOS 26 is growing, it's always developing. And I guess this version will be not in this list as a worse one, so actually it should be normal one. Camera, also not much changes, very similar to previous one. In general, if you are on a previous version, just update it. It's not that huge update, but definitely worth to do it.